guys, welcome back to my art channel Jashan Art. I am Jashan and today we are going to paint an amazing galaxy scenery painting. I am too excited to paint it guys, so let's get started with this video. Let me take colors out of my palette, and after drawing basic sketch, I am going to start painting galaxy. I am starting from the center with the light yellow acrylic paint, and then I'm going to paint spiral using blue paint. As this galaxy is having shining heavenly bodies in spiral arrangement in it, so I am going to paint fireball like light in spiral motion as if it is rotating with a disc like structure in the center. As this galaxy is having a lot of stars in it, so it is emitting a lot of light. That is why the colors I am using in the center are lighter ones, and as I'm going towards the corners of my canvas, these are getting darker. One tip that I want to provide you today for acrylic painting is that acrylics dry darker. So always try to paint one shade lighter than the exact shade you want in your final artwork, because these are going to look darker in the final artwork. Also, another thing that I want to tell you today is acrylics dry very faster, so you have to be very quick in blending. As I'm done with the basic galaxy, so I am going to paint more stars in space by sprinkling some paint using brushes. Now as I'm done with the galaxy portion, so I am going to paint revealing paper here. For the folds in paper, I am going to use black paint, and then I am going to merge it in the white by using dry brush for blending. Here blending is the key. We need to blend the paint very well. With this painting guys, let me tell you that if you have not subscribed my channel yet, then please subscribe this channel, because I upload new art videos every Friday on weekly basis, so you can get new videos on every Friday. So please subscribe this channel and stay in touch. As I am done with it, so I am going to draw lines on this now to make it look like 3D one-lined paper. I am using black acrylic paint and 000 brush for this. So with these lines, this is now almost ready guys. Let me paint some more bright stars by painting few crosses randomly in the galaxy. So guys, our painting is now ready. I hope you like it. If you like it, then press the like button and share this video with all the art lovers you know. And you can subscribe this channel to watch my next art video, because I post new art videos every Friday. So I'll meet you there. Till then, bye bye. Take care. You are amazing. And thank you so much for watching my video and supporting my channel. You are amazing. Bye.